In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily change the battery in your GoPro Hero. Alright, step one, you need a GoPro, and the right battery. So if we turn the GoPro inside, we can see a little part there where you can actually stick your fingers. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull that down gently, push down on this one, and then it's going to open up and there's our battery just inside. Now we're going to take the new battery and carefully place it into the battery cavity. If the little blue tag is facing down, you're doing it the right way. Push the battery all the way into the cavity and shut the door. Turn on your GoPro, and in a second, the screen will appear and your new battery is good to go. Hey, thanks for watching. Hope you got something out of this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like button or even the subscribe one too. That'd be really choice. And until next time, see you later.